What's going on there, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another video for the E92. In this video, I'm going to be trying to finish up. This is kind of like the last video for this Resurrection series or whatever that I was putting on. A bunch of videos just in a playlist or whatever. But in today's video, we'll be trying to get the bumper and the bumper installed and the transmission fluid serviced. So let's get into it.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
So in this video, like I said, we got our transmission fluid, we got bumper stuff, we got all of our I didn't even know if I was showing it, but yeah, we got our bumper brackets, we got our clips. I put a couple of the clips on already. We also got our like spacers right here and bolts and everything. The spacers go up here. Let me focus it. Yeah, spacers go up here, and then the clips for the parking sensors, we got all 4 of them right here. So I'm gonna like line them up and then put it on, so I can just plug them up immediately. Let's see what else. I'm not gonna be putting on the side markers or anything like that. I'm not gonna be putting on the washers or any of these clips because it all needs to get painted, and I'm not gonna put the grill in. But yeah. So we've got everything set for the bumper to go on. That looks about right. So yeah, we're gonna do all that today. And then also I've got my stuff down here to fill up the transmission fluid, which is gonna be a pain because I need to like monitor temperatures and stuff. But I got some liquid moly dual clutch gear oil for DCT transmissions or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap that in, and let's go ahead and do the bumper first. Alright, well, my camera died, so I had to just keep working, but bumper is on. I should have definitely left the liners out for prior because it was annoying. But anyway, bumper is on. As you can see, I put back my Jamaican rude boy button mounting inside the PSSA Azit. So there we go, that looks good. And I also decided, since I was here at this point, put the hood back on. As you can see, this is the remnants of the destruction that happened. Well, I need to lower that. I put that up way too much. So the gap. So yeah, I need to lower that back again. And then I'm gonna line this up. I don't know if I'm gonna get to the transmission today, but more's been done, so that's good. I'm gonna open up MHD and see if I can read temperature with it, but everything's lined up. That's pretty nice. We'll see where else we get to. Alright, so I did end up getting towards the transmission. This is a little bit of the fluid that came out after the initial fill up. So I filled it up. I got this pump. I think I got this from either Walmart or AutoZone or something like that. I don't remember. But anyway, I'm about to try look up MHD and see about the transmission temperature. But this is my old tablet. Left it on the charger too long, so it blew up. So now I got a bigger one. So this has MHD and JB4 on it. I'll use my DCAN cable. I don't have Insta or whatever they said it was for the transmission fluid or whatever, but I'm gonna hook this up, see if it can read it. If not, I'll see if I can read it through my code reader, and then we'll see. Alright, so basically what I was trying to do, I was trying to use the JB4 to monitor the transmission temp, which I can do, but I wasn't getting the connection. Turns out my power wire from here to here is broken, so that's why I wasn't getting any connection on the JB4. So now I'm gonna go ahead and splice it. I got a couple splice connections. I'm gonna splice it real quick, and then hopefully I can get a connection, and then maybe I can check it. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so it turns out that actually did fix it. My settings just weren't set up right for the data cable instead of the Bluetooth cable. So that actually did fix it. So my JB4 is working. However, my transmission temp wasn't being read. I'm not sure what that is. So I'll have to figure that out so that I can actually read the temp so I can do it properly, because I'm not trying to mess this thing up. I already had enough issues with this car. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'm gonna fill up the transmission fluid. All right, so I'm back. It's been a little bit, but yeah, I will have to say the car is done. I didn't get to do the proper thing of learning, seeing the temperature on the transmission while I was filling it up. So I started it, revved it above the proper RPM, 2000 or whatever, for a minute, and then I let it sit for just a little bit longer and proceeded to fill it up. So I got a good amount of the you know, the dual clutch fluid in there. I still got like 2 more bottles left, but I bought some from the dealer, so I put 2 of the dealers in there. So that would have been everything that I got. But I would have to say that it's done. Like I said, I think it's done. Next video that you see of this car, actually, I have a video coming about the wheels that I'm gonna put on it. But the next video that you see of this car should be me rolling it out of the garage. It'll have to go to the body shop or whatever to get the hood fixed up. Pretty sure you guys remember the hood or whatever, but I'll show you again. That's the, this is all gonna need to get painted. And then you see how the hood looks. It latches though. It's not coming up. So it latches. All in all, we're coming to a closing. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And like I said, next time you see this one, we should be rolling out. Peace.